Hello, today I would like to talk about rebranding tool. So here on this slide is a summary what you can do with the rebranding tool. So rebranding tool is used in case you want to replace and display your own company logos, texts, copyrights, icons. So how does it work? You have to stop the server. Then you extract some data from enterprise maps distribution into zip file. Then you basically update the content of the zip file. So you change the images, their texts and stuff like that. You apply the changes to enterprise maps, redeploy the ER file, and you can start the server. And you should see the changes after you start the server. So what you can change? You can change the company name, you can play with the CSS styles, you can update the BIRT reporting library, you can change various images, and last but not least, you can even change the email headers and footers. So let's dive into it. So here I have my Enterprise Maps instance. So this is the login screen. You can see that the favorite icon here at the top is HP. There is the HP logo. If I log into it, that everything is default. So here is the welcome screen. Again, HP logo. If I look into the about box, it looks the default way. So everything is out of the box design. So now, what do you have to do in order to extract the image which will be used for the rebranding tool? So on the file system of the enterprise maps, so in the directory where you install the enterprise maps, in the bin directory, there is the rebranding tool. So there is the script which is called rebrand. There is either a shell script or a batch file. And if you type rebrand -- help, it will tell you all the parameters which can be used. So in the first step, I will run rebrand -- extract -- image, some image name, in order to extract the stuff which could be customized into the zip file. So it will run for a while. After the script is finished, you can see that in the bin directory you have the HP image directory, and there is a zip file. So let me go to the file system. So the zip file contains some structure. So let me look at the structure. So I open it here in my IDE in order to show it in some reasonable way. So we have this directory structure and there is some XML file. So the XML file is a configuration which basically says something like take this file and put it here. So, and there is also a description which tells you or should tell you what will happen, what you are changing. So this is a file. So in most advanced cases, you can even change this file. But in the default rebranding scenario, you should be okay with the predefined rules here. At the bottom, there is even the rule for the BIRT report. So let's go to the directory structure. So first there are bundles. So there is the Java bundle file, and you can see that you can change a couple of things here. So you can change the product name, you can change what appears at the logo, you can change the company, footer, and stuff like that. Second directory is the CSS. So if you open it, you can see that it's a standard cascade style sheet, which is used on the web UI. So you can change the things here in order to change the styles, colors, whatever. In a data directory, there are the data related to the BIRT reports. In images are probably most interesting things here. There are images used in the product. So, for example, here is the image product name, which appears on the login page. There is the logo which appears at the top of the page. So if I go to, so it's this logo in the left upper corner. Let me switch back. So there is the header image, navigator welcome screen, and some welcome box. There is even the favorite icon which appears in the browser here. So these are the things which you can change. You can even add more if you play with the configuration file. You can certainly add something more. There are the headers and footers for the email notification. So it's some HTML structured file, so you can change it again according to your needs. So this is the structure of the zip file. So now you have to update it to your needs. So I have already prepared a new image because recently Hewlett-Packard split into two companies, and right now we are part of the Hewlett-Packard Enterprise. So I have prepared some first draft of the rebranding of enterprise maps, which should definitely happen in one of the future releases. So in bundles, I have updated the messages properties file. So there is the HP enterprise maps, company name is HP, powered by HPE, so everywhere it's HPE. I have updated the images, so I can show you that there is new background image for the about box, new favorite icon, new logo for the login page. So and that's my image. So that's what I have put into the zip file, and now I should apply this zip file to the distribution. So let's get back to my distribution into the bin directory. It's the location where I can find the rebrand script, and when I want to apply the image, so here I have already created I have the HP image with my changes, and inside the HP image there is a zip file. So in order to apply the image, first thing you have to do is to stop the server. So HP stop in case of my virtual appliance, otherwise there is the server stop script. Now I can run the rebrand tool. So let me look at the parameters. Okay, there is the apply parameters, so let me use it. Rebrand minus apply minus image, HP image, and I put there as a parameter the zip file. So let me run it. Now it's asking whether I'm really sure what I'm doing, and I have to confirm it. Okay, great. Okay, so once the application of the image is finished, which takes like 2 minutes in my case, I can redeploy the ER file, because basically the changes which we are doing are done in the somewhere in the distribution, but not in the deployed ER in the JBoss, which is used on the background. So now we have to run the setup tool, and redeploy the AR with our changes. So it's like setup -c -p, and the step which we want to call is enterprise application deployment. So something like that. Again, the server is still stopped. So now it will apply the changes by redeploying the ER. So it shouldn't take long. One thing which I would like to stress out here is the backup. Whenever you do anything with the deployment, with the rebranding tool, back up everything before you do any changes, because if you do the changes in the zip file and you apply the image, basically you lose the version which came out of the box. So if you don't want to reinstall the whole enterprise maps in case something goes wrong, backup. So now it was deployed and I can start the server. So in case of my virtual appliance, I can call HP start. Otherwise, there is server start script. Once my server is started, I can go to the web interface and check the changes. So as you can see, there are no changes. So it means that the content is cached. So I have to use the Control F5, which is the refresh. From scratch basically, so it will reload all the resources again. So now we can see our changes. So there is a new logo, new company name on the login screen. There is the new favorite icon. You can even see that the title is HPE Enterprise Maps, which is correct. If I log into the system, then I should see that again, the name is correct, logo is correct, about box is completely new. Of course, what you will see are that the copyrights are still Hewlett-Packard, because basically the product was developed in the when the company was called Hewlett-Packard, so it's still correct. But otherwise, all the other things were rebranded. So even if I go to Navigator, for example, and if I change or select some application, I can see down here that the footer is powered by HPE Enterprise Maps. So it was rebranded as well. So this is how it was applied. So you can see that it's quite easy to change the logos and the name of the application according to your needs. Thank you for watching.